in crypto. It is another day in IPOs, and we got a very weird market here. The IPOs just keep going up. They don't seem to want to be going down. The cryptos are chopping all over the place, and they seem to be stopped at a certain place in time. And that is what we're going to talk about today. It's really, really something weird. I think it's really, really something, and we have some information here that you guys need to know if you guys want to be successful in this. It is not an easy market. It is just an extremely choppy market now, so to be stopped. I hope you guys are very, very careful, okay? It's a very tricky market. How is everyone now? Let's call the rest in because it is an interesting topic, okay? It's very interesting, especially if you are in my class. You really, really want to know what is going on. Because if you don't know what is going on and you're trying to trade this market, you could get into huge, huge, huge trouble. So let me see some of the things here. Okay, what I am going down here. Okay. So again, today was the listing of Johor Plantation, and I think Johor Plantation represents everything that is with this market, right or wrong, right? It could be right, it could be wrong, but Johor Plantation went up today, right? Like 9%, like whoa, 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 whoa. And it's like it was supposed to be a poor IPO. There was no response, especially by retailers, and it goes up like 9%. For a big IPO, this is so commendable. And yet in crypto, we are chopping, okay? And the most significant thing that I see here is actually the fear and greed index. So let's go take a look. What's happening, guys? What's happening with the fear and greed? It seems that you guys in fear now. Haha. See, told you guys. You guys are in fear, right? That's the problem now. You guys are in fear. You should be in fear, okay? You should be in fear. You should be in fear. And yeah, I guess this captures the problem with all of these things because when we are in fear, then, the market will tend to begin its step to turn around. Okay, let me forward some of these things so that everyone is able to join. Okay, one moment, and then we can start because we really need to start fast because you guys need to really, really understand what is going on, especially with the fear and greed index. I know that people don't want to listen to cryptos now, right? So I have a separate IPO session tomorrow, right? I know you guys want to listen to crypto, right? I know you guys don't have the mood, but that's the wrong attitude. Okay, guys, take it from me. If you guys do not want to follow, hey, Henry, if you don't want to follow crypto, you guys have the totally wrong attitude because one day when it goes up, it's going to go up so fast that you guys are going to be regretting again. See, forever regretting. Once upon a time that I was following IPOs like mad, and now I'm really getting the benefit, right? So tomorrow we have a session where you can see where I'm about to make RM 100,000, about $25,000, $23,000 only in a period of 1.5 months. But that takes a lot of consistency. Okay, so let's see what's happening. What is the Malays? Is that the word Malays? I don't even know how to say that word. Okay, I don't even know how to say that word, but let's go into there. Hey, dry powder. Yeah, that's what I said. You guys gotta get dry powder in the groups. I've been telling you guys, right? Find that damn dry powder, guys, because this is the best time to go in. Well, you guys know we're going to talk about the cycles again on Sunday. You guys know, right? This is down and then it goes up and then another down. So you can go in and DCA now. You can go in on DCA now. Yes, the big one's on Meteor. Also, you can DCA now. It doesn't matter. It's going to go down again because it is going to go down again one last time. That's what the cycle says. And if you want to argue with the cycle, it's with me. But hey, guys, that guy, Larry Williams, man, I hate him because he has proven to be right and right and right and right and right again. And again, for the IPOs, tomorrow we're going to do something very, very exciting. Our first real collaboration. Okay, I'm going to tell you how it works. But first, go to this on crypto. Oh, isn't that exciting? Hey, finally, we're here, guys. Finally, 27. Yo, yo, yo. No, I'm supposed to do like this, right? I'm supposed to do like this when it's going down, right? Hey, I'm wearing I'm wearing my skull cap here to represent Johor Plantation, okay? Because in the in the crypto market, because we have problems with the cryptos going up, but in the IPO market, man, they just want to go up. Even when they don't want to go up, they just want to go up. Okay, incredible, right? So look at this. Go and look at 1 year. Let's go look at the max now. This is awesome. I love 27. You guys are in fear. There we are, guys, at 20. And I think we're done at 20. We could be done here at 27. Look at that. That was in four. Yeah, that was the last one, right? Yeah. So we are kind of at support now. This is like, yeah, this is like September. Oh, it's near August 2023. Yeah, it is YOLO time. Don't, yeah, I hope you do have dry powder, right? Because I have tons of dry powder left, you know. I got tons of dry powder left. Which is why if you ask me why I haven't been very active in our trading group, because I was busy accumulating my dry powder. You know, if not, I wouldn't have dry powder too. So it's time to go in just DCA. Okay, but look at this. Look at this. It is here. It is at support. If we go down, I think this is another strong support here. So we had this in when? 24 September 2020. Isn't that weird? Look at this. 6 March 2023. Okay, so before that, 4 December 20. Oh, this was the height of the FTX cycle. Okay, all this FTX and all that, right? Yeah, this is at the height. But I consider this, we are already at support. Okay, so that is on the crypto. So this is good. That means things are looking up from here, but it's going to be tough. Let me show you how tough it is. Okay, because I've been looking at this LOGX, right? So we are at neutral here. Please be careful here. Where were you? Were we at extreme greed? Yeah. Okay, so again, this is showing signs of correcting now. And we do need a correction, right? Because the cycles say that we are going to correct sometime and then mid-July, which is like next week. This is a short correction, right? Mid-July to early August, we are going to go back up again. So I am looking towards August now, even for the crypto markets. Now, hey guys, have you been doing this? Have you been doing your note pay, guys? Have you been doing your note pay? Because while we're doing this, while we're in this silly period, you might want to do a note pay here, okay? This is like an advertising. Hey, look at my note pay. Like, do your daily check-in, check on this. So again, this is part of my program that I'm going to have this Saturday so that when times like this happen again, you guys can actually do nothing and just earn money. Okay, so this is note pay. And I do have a program on Saturday coming up so that you guys can always earn the moolah, earn the money. So let's look at what's happening in crypto first. Made some notes here for you guys. Say news in crypto. The Germans are coming. Clearly, the Germans selling it. Okay, the Germans have been selling it. So let's go here and let's go see what's happening. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this. The Germans are coming a double top. This is very dangerous. Okay, fear and greed index has gone down 27, 29, and meme coins and meme coins AI have really rocked the market so much so that those other coins are not moving. Where's the GameFi, guys? It is not moving at all. Quite sad. Okay, because there is something in GameFi. Okay, I'm sure there is something in GameFi. Look at this. Why is BTC dumping? Mount Gox ETFs halving. Germany has been selling this. So why is it happening? Look here. So whatever it is, okay, Bitcoin has dropped from 71K to 57K. It is around 57K, 54K now. Why is this happening? Well, Mount Gox is going to release 142,000 BTC, but it's not as bad as we think. And remember that this news came during the US Independence Day. That's cruel. When no one was in the market. So it's not like the ETFs could have come and scooped up your bags, man. It was just going down, down, and down. That's why there's so much fear. So many fear that creditors will decide to sell the received Bitcoins, given the amount of BTC they will have. This will undoubtedly impact the market, but it's not as much as we think it is. It is actually through a staggered basis, okay? The next thing is this, reducing miners, you guys know, right? Because of the halving, miners' rewards have been reduced. When they have been reduced, they have to survive, okay? So they have to sell the Bitcoin on this. But I think miners are still a good buy. And I am looking at Mara Holdings. It's Marathon Digital Holdings. Okay, Mara. Is it Mara, right? Mara and also Riot Blockchain. Okay, so here it is. Many miners are now, So a rise in BTC price was necessary and they were expecting it. So when it goes down, it creates a cascade down that just makes it worse. US interest rate. But I read this on Finance. that, hey, maybe the US interest rates, that Powell, all depends on Powell, but it does looks better that he did this. Looks like he wants to reduce the interest rates, okay, slowly. And with the US election and with Biden, yeah, your President Biden, right? Your President Biden, uncertainty over interest rate cuts. The central bank may need to raise. Well, this is another one. But again, I don't see that, because if they do raise interest rates, that is the death knell for Biden here. Are they like Trump supporters? I don't think so. See? So it is cooling, but it could be pencils in. Okay, let's see. So again, yeah, is the Fed cutting interest rates now imminent? This is what we've been looking for before. As long as interest rates go down, you know what happens, right? When interest rates go down, well, then risk assets goes down, and Bitcoin, risk assets go up, and Bitcoin is kind of like the ultimate risk asset. So not only is Canada recovering, Canada is also doing well in the Copa America. You know that they're meeting Argentina in the semifinal. I don't know what's happening there. Okay, so again, look at this. Is Fed cutting interest rates imminent? This is all good news for us. Okay, so this is kind of cool here. So one cut, two cuts. Oh, okay, one cut, 73%. Two cuts, 18%. Okay, more chances, 4 more chances this year to cut. It prepares for the next meeting in the end of July. Fed is watching 2 data points, the inflation data to be released later this week, and the mixed job reports. So last week was good because unemployment rate went up, right? So that moved the market. Let's TradFi. I mean, the S&P is going crazy. The S&P is going bonkers. Last time I said 5567. Again, as I said, this is just what we had predicted. Not me had predicted. Well, other people had predicted. Okay, what I told you guys was going to happen indeed happened. Okay, so again, we are looking for that interest rate cut. Okay, now let's go here again. So again, U.S. interest rate. So good. Germany, yeah, this is another one. Germany owns a significant amount of BTC, has started selling its assets. German government transferred 400 BTC to the exchanges. 2,700 BTC have been moved. Oh, Germany. So again, the Germans are coming. The Germans are coming. Get out of there. Okay, get out of there. It's like World War II, right? That's kind of weird. It's really like World War II. So let's go to the next one, which I took the notes here. What is happening now that's really hooking people out? Freaking and fruking people out is this, right? You guys know, right? Everyone knows this. Double tops. Double tops could be the end of the cycle. It could be, okay? So risk double top, 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. Okay, second week of July in a dangerous place with traders scared of further downwards. Okay, because if it does have a double top, that means it could be it. Okay, trip downward or even below 50,000. Okay, so this is the problem of that. Yeah, 1 hour chart, not that, but they are looking. That's a really toppish pattern. Sorry to say that, guys. This is a very, very toppish pattern. Okay, in fact, that just doesn't look good. Okay, this is just does not look good at all. Okay, so that kind of pattern is actually very, very bad around here. Okay, so let's see more. That is so not good. Okay, so look at that. Look at that. Okay, July 8th, 2024. So we go down there. Yeah, no good, no good, no good, no good, no good, no good at all. So again, a double top is the including top crypto market cap. This is a sell signal, more downside probable. Yeah, with Bollinger Band source. So again, just look at that. That double top is no good. That is bad. The bull Servino BTC is confirmed weekly broke down of the multi-month consolidation range. Okay, so it's still in an uptrend. Needs to go below 38K, but man, 38K will kill the alts. Will kill the alts. Okay, it'll just kill the alts. Again, remember what chart do we need to see, guys? Remember, right? Remember the chart. Remember that chart. Double top is always no good. Sub 50,000 hinges on RSI. So let's look at, okay, now you guys are scared, right? Now I finally got your attention. Now the next thing is, rather than this double top, there is also something here called the fear and greed index. And this we saw now, right? It has gone down so much. Let's take a look at that. Boom. Okay, good. I think that's good. We're gonna get cheaper Bitcoin. That's good. Okay. Okay, but this is good also. Okay. Okay, but again, there's so many people going negative now, but a lot of them are very famous influencers. So I want to show you another picture here, okay? Because Danny said, "Hey, what's going to happen now?" Well, let's see. Let's see, okay? Let's see. Bitcoin lost. It also lost the 200 MA. So what happened now? How many days more, okay? I want you to see that because we said that, hey, this is going to be like end of August stuff, right? Early to end of August stuff. So let's see where we are now. So what happened the last time Bitcoin? What happened the last time Bitcoin lost the 200-day MA in the cycle? It sent the price down 31% to the Fibonacci golden zone and took 80 days to recover. 80 days is quite some time. 80 days is quite some time, okay? But just looking at statistics, because losing the 200 moving average is not good at all. So you see here, there's a lot of negative news, okay? And I think because there's a lot of negative news like this also, Andrew Kang, very famous guy, I believe 98% of all coins stop for the cycle, except for maybe a handful of coins that may make some new highs in Q4, 2024 and 2025. Bitcoin, I think, is in transition stage to a super cyclish asset where it retains both properties from the previous cycle behavior and also increasingly more of a mature macro asset, which I told you already, this is the last cycle to make insane kind of money. But have the alts peak? Maybe yes, maybe no. See, this is what I like. I'm just going to tell you something that what I like. Okay. What I like is that when now I've seen this many, many times before, and here's the fact. When many people are so negative, what does it mean, guys? Come on, you can type it down. What does it mean? I know we don't want to type it down. I know you are sick. I know I'm sick too, although I have dry powder, which makes me kind of less sick. Okay, but here is my experience, my real life experience from being in the dugout, being in the trenches, getting whacked left, right, and center is very simple, okay? And I think you know what I'm going to say. And I'm going to sound like a broken record saying this, but that's okay. The thing is, when people are so negative here, okay, when the crowd has run all the way to the negativity here, you know, when everyone has gone there, when people have been capitulating, and yes, there are very famous influencers now that are also capitulating here. Guess what? This is the time for you to buy. But I don't mean all in buy, just go DCA, okay? So that's what I do, at least. It is the time. Seriously, I'm sure if you speak like in September or even December, if you do not go in now, or if you fail to take any action because you were scared, and I know you are scared, you are going to regret it. Again, there is a lot of negativity, which I love, right? I was concerned last time, right? That we didn't have that punishment to the we didn't have that punishment of fear and greed, right? And it came down. So remember that there is a lot of negativity. Next time, maybe when you hear me being concerned, maybe you should just sell and get the hell out. Okay, I know that markets are positive, can go up and up, but eventually it must go down. And so I hope you guys are doing well, okay? And don't, yeah. To me, this is just something normal. I don't like it. I feel sick. Seriously. I feel totally sick. But again, what's the point that we do? Now, well, look at this, right? It's like NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA, right? SPX is actually tracking 2023 quite closely. So look at this, right? So you guys want to know, right? What is Bitcoin is going to be? I think this is going to be like 2020, seriously, okay? 2020 when you had the Uniswap thing. I'm going to go to Ben Cohen here. Let's go back to Ben Cohen here. So this is like amazing, right? Maybe we have an answer. Look, S&P in 2024 is tracking 2023 quite closely. 2023, we had the kaboom. That's so funny. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, right? Days of the year, right? In 2023, we had this, and then we had kaboom. Then we had kaboom, then we had kaboom, then we went down, and then we went up again. Amazing, right? Amazing. So, yeah, he has a point there, right? So what does Ben Cohen says? Many had discounted the idea of summer lull for Bitcoin are now posting non-stop about the German government selling. Summer seasonally is typically not the great for BTC, even in years where BTC went up. So narratives follow price, price does not follow narratives, okay? So here it is like summer is not good anyway. Why are you so worried? You should be working now. You should be working now. Seriously, working now. Work, 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 work. Summer is always not a good month. So let's just accept that. Okay, so this is what I say, right? Direction on Q4 depends on, yeah, this is the thing. SMA, okay, this is a 20-week SMA, so rejection could lead to a speaking of 2019. So everyone is on edge now, you know. Everyone is simply on edge as far as BTC is concerned. Let's go to Cointelegraph. Let's see what they have now. So again, to me, it's very simple. Yeah, see another sell-off. So Bitcoin ain't going anywhere very soon, right? So double top again, another sell-off there. Celebrity crypto tokens will usually catch. Yeah, this is Iggy Azalea, right? Again, sell-off could put ETF shares on the discount rack. Okay, so again, negative, negative, negative. You see, when you want this, this is what you love. Okay, this is what you love. Solana, what's the Solana meme coin? So again, when you talk another sector that has been down so bad, and Dennis Barton knows this, it is like gaming, right? Gaming is like so screwed up. I have not seen a sector that is so screwed up. But again, gaming was one of the darlings last time. It is such a screwed up darling. I am looking into things here. For example, here, meme coins and AI. GameFi is good or not. So gaming's interaction with finance and crypto, GameFi has been bid max in 2024. Yes, it is. Not gone up high enough. Dynamic year, it's like they take multiple years to handle it. They take multiple years to build. And now that they build, we are entering a bearish phase in the cycle because people just don't want to wait. People have GameFi, right? No, people have meme coins, right? So that's the thing. Now, surprises for GameFi. So everyone was looking forward to things, but hey, it just got so not very exciting. Okay. Hamster combat and all this. So, but as you see a market go down here, now tomorrow I'm going to be in Malay, but I'm going to tell you guys about this market, which I think is kind of like the hottest market in the world. Let's just go Google, guys. The Malaysia IPO market is hot like hell, okay? But again, what do you do, guys? What are you guys gonna do in this period? It's very easy. Just find something to do, okay? You need to find something to do. And the best thing, if you can find something to do, is basically to find thing that makes money while you are doing it. For example, this. Yeah, look at this. Look at what Henry is doing here. He is eating. He is a piggy like me because we are paid to eat. We are paid to eat because our devices run. So on Saturday for the special airdrop class, before we have our airdrop class in August, early August, I want to do a special session where you set up things so that you can always make money. And this is a very special session because on the 13th, when we have the class here, guess what, guys? Guess what? I did this for you guys, okay? Because I do not want you guys to miss this. You guys are really staring down the path of a sin. This is, I don't like it. So we need to do this for you guys so that you guys don't get sinned anymore, okay? We have, after this class here on Saturday, which is 9:30 to 4:30, we have a period of about 6 days here, 6 days. This is also in. Every single morning, 9 or 10 o'clock, 9 or 10 o'clock, 9 or 10 o'clock, we're going to do something every single day so that you guys know what this is all about. This is no joke, guys. We got to be really serious about this. We got to be really serious about this. So at least during this cycle, what you can do now is, hey, guess what? You can make some money. So if you want to join, it's very, very cheap now. This is my cheapest class ever, okay? So one day class, only 2,388, and then you come for 5 days, and I will give you a bonus of one airdrop class in August. Okay, so don't miss it out. Don't miss it out. Yeah, everything is dropping now. See, everything is dropping now, guys. So again, don't miss it out. If not, you may regret it. Okay, you may regret it if you do miss it out. And I'm just gonna give you this. So again, this is a chance for you guys to join us. Okay, awesome way. Just an awesome day to join us. Hey, what the hell, man? So again, yeah, you can join us there. Yeah, there it is. So it's 2388 FPX. And it's also on TOEIC here. Yeah, one class here, 2388. Or rally bind here, FPX. And yeah, this is TOEIC Pay here. Or you can pay 3 simple installments. Okay. So don't miss this thing. At least you get something here. Okay, TOEIC Pay here. Now, let's go back to the meat of the thing. And tomorrow I will have this in Malay because now I know a lot of people are now coming back to IPOs. But I think this is what crypto was, right? There was a time when people didn't even want to hear about IPOs. Hey, me included, me included. But at the end of the day, look, it's done very, very well. Okay, so this is Malaysia. In the Malaysian market, it seems like it cannot just, while crypto is struggling to go up, the IPOs in Malaysia are like, it doesn't want to go down. It kind of like, hey, we don't want to go down. Can you go down? No, 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 we don't want to go down. So we're gonna have a special session tomorrow. It is in Malay, but you guys can follow to 9 o'clock also. Let's go here. Okay, just look at this. Okay, just go look at this. Okay, UUE IPO. Let's go. How much did that make? First day. Whoa, 175% premium. Isn't that great? You got to put more money in IPOs. It says an IDO, right? Okay, next one. GoHub. GoHub. Hey, 170 is a lot, you know, because we put in, we have bigger allocations for IPOs. So even 100% movement is awesome. GoHub IPO. So you got 175% there. Congratulations, everyone. 140%. Again, it's all doing over 100, over 100, over 100. Another one, Ocean Fresh, which was like, I thought would be the poorest IPO. But again, I did recommend this because I said it was an open go, right? 203%. Isn't that crazy? A company that sells. So this is something where you can see that this is truly, truly speculation here. Can you believe this? 203%. 203%. Awesome, right? Super duper awesome. 203% up. And today, Johor Plantation, let's say Johor Plantation, right? Let us say Johor Plantation. It was supposed to be big. It was really like just oversubscribed. So everyone who applied it kind of like got it, especially the Bumiputras. But look what happened today. So wasn't liked at all. IPO, it also went up like 10%. Guys, 10% is big because you get a big allocation, okay? Even I was like freaking out because my position was so big here. But let's see what I did. I did very well in this one because, you know, I really wasn't expecting a lot, but even I wasn't expecting this kind of result, okay? So they gave me like 420,000 worth of shares. So I'm like, okay, guys, I'm going to freak out. I'm going to really freak out. You know, you guys are giving me like 420,000 shares. Are you guys serious? You guys got to be kidding me, right? So again, let's go here. And let's see what happened to Johor Plantation IPO. It just shows you what or better here. Okay, so let's go in here. Okay, my internet connection. Yeah, I know my internet connection is unstable here. And let's go here. And we're going to talk about this more again tomorrow. Now, look at this. I had to put in 420,000 ringgit. That's like 100,000 US, 95,000 US. And I still got a profit of like 35,000, right? So 420,000 has gone to 455,000. That's a profit of about 35 grand. That's no joke, you know. That is damn good money, guys. That's damn good money. So we're going to talk about this tomorrow. I'm sure it's going to be a very lively session on a market that just doesn't seem to want to go down. In the meantime, join my class on Saturday. Don't miss it. For those of you that are already registered for this, don't miss it because you owe it to yourselves to make money no matter what. Okay, no matter what. And believe me, I've been here before. It's gone down like this, and then it's went up like this. Okay, it's like this. Okay, I'm just going to show you how this is going to proceed. And you are going to be really regretting it if you don't do your work. It's like this. This is how it goes, okay? Just before we go, so that you know my wisdom, it goes down like that. And then one day it stays flat like that. And one fine day, this is going to go up like that. So I just want to ask you a question here. You need to do this, okay? While the market is down like this, you need to multiply the number of tokens here, okay? Because it's cheap, right? And once it goes up like that, look at that. Instead of having one token, which is so pathetic, you have 5. And that is what's going to make you very, very rich, guys. Okay, any questions here? Any questions? Because I have not eaten yet. I have not eaten yet. Mau makan, lapar. Lapar. Okay, guys, anything else? If not, I'm going to see you guys again tomorrow. There will also be another YouTube on this channel on this market that just doesn't want to go down and how it is giving me like 100,000 ringgit or 23,000 US in the space of only 1.5 months. Incredible. Now, I believe that crypto will someday be like that, but in order to make it happen, you guys also need to do the work. Okay, it's not going to come passive. You guys need to do the work. And when the market turns around, because it will, you can see the bags coming into your pocket like nobody's business, because I've been here a lot of times. Okay, a lot. I've also been in IBO quite some time. I know what people were saying about me. You guys say bad things about me, but at the end of the day, look what happened. The markets now go up. Now they say, hey, yeah, Sensei, figured it out. Okay, so again, good luck. Tomorrow we meet again for the IPO. It will be in Malay. You will see that I'm going way, way, very fast towards 100,000 ringgit in only 3 months. So I'm sure one day when I talk on crypto, it'll be like within 1 million ringgit in 2 months or something like that. See you later, guys. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Oh.